Why to become a coach? Okay, industry is growing. There is a good income potential. There is a great supplementary income potential. You can continue your own business or job and still you can become a coach, because it doesn't take 8 hours per day of your time investment when you become coach, right? But why become a coach? So the first pointer is on your personal life. It is not necessary that every coach has to start their own business in a big way, has to have a website, has to do the marketing, has to conduct webinars. No, no, no. I'm conducting a webinar because we are into coaching education, right? Of course, the coach can do the marketing and promotion as well. But the coaching is not only a business kind of thing. When you become a coach, the number one, your personal life will get transformed. Relationships in your life will flourish. Why? Because of the life skills and the wisdom what you will develop during coaching education. Your decision making will be emotionally intelligent and value-based decision making. You will rediscover yourself. You will understand your strength, values, and how to take value-based decision making, which has a longer impact. You will live a meaningful and fulfilling life with the internal locus of control, because you will know your self-awareness will enhance to a level. Now you are not dependent on other people's opinion about you. So this is what happens when you become educated coach, not certified coach. There are many certification programs, short-term certification programs available. I'm talking about educated coach. Educated coach live differently. So the first is the enhancement in your personal life. The second is your professional life. So when I became coach in 2014, in next 4 years, actually I got 4 promotions. This technically they were 3, but I got some additional responsibility of the Asia Pacific region. So I can say I got 4 promotions. Why? Because my outlook towards the organization, my team, the way I develop my team, the way my thought process changed has helped me in growing in my existing career. I started my coaching business later. First, I applied the principles of the coaching in my workplace as a business leader. So my leadership style got transformed. So this is the benefit what a corporate professional gets in the career when they get educated as a coach. Once you become a coach, you plan your career differently. You become more wiser and you start thinking about a long-term career and not the short-term career changes. Why? Because now you feel more secure because of the supplementary income, or not only it is related to the income, but it is related to your thought process. Now you are not going for the short-term decision making. Your approach towards life changes. So your career planning changes when you become a coach. Again, this is my experience. This is not from any book. This is my experience I'm sharing in this particular bullet point format. This is what has actually happened with me, and I'm sharing with you what happens when you get educated in coach. Of course, I did at that time many things, and those many things have been now integrated into our program. So I did coaching, I did NLP, I did emotional intelligence, I studied human psychology, I did a variety of the things, because I understood that only the coaching certification is not necessary. I'm talking about 2014. And then I realized that there is no holistic education right now available in the coaching domain. And then we joined, Master My Life, joined hands with the University of Mumbai, and we launched world's first master degree in emotional intelligence and life coaching, which is very holistic in nature. But then we understood that not everyone, right, after 15, 20, 30 years of experience in life will go for the master degree education by investing 1.5 years of their time. So we had to come with the shorter program, and this is that particular 6 months program, and we joined hands with the International Coaching Federation. But this particular program is so holistic in nature. It is transformational in nature. It is not only the coach tools, techniques, and processes. It is much beyond that. And because of that, your outlook changes. It is not only due to you knowing the coaching tools, techniques, and processes. No, you knowing life, you understanding life. And of course, you become a transformed leader. And you start developing leader. It is not about managing people anymore. When you become a coach, you start developing leaders within your organization. And that is how your professional life and the career gets transformed with the coaching education if you apply coaching education at your workplace. Of course, you can parallelly start professional practice as a coach, or you can start full-time practice as a coach. You can become independent professional. You can wear multiple hats. At a time, you can be, when I say at a time, means as an individual, as a professional, you can be consultant, you can be mentor, you can be counselor, you can be coach. It is not that because you are a coach, you cannot be consultant or counselor or mentor. But at a time, you can wear only one hat. Either you do coaching, either you take coaching assignment and do coaching, or you take consultancy assignment and do consultancy, or you do mentorship, right? So any professional can have multiple hats, but the assignment and at that particular moment during the conversation, you have to utilize one ideology. The coaching is a great andragogy, but there is an application of mentoring. There is an application of counseling, right? So each intervention, there is an application of training. So each intervention has its own target market, has its own objective. So once you also wear a hat of a coach, right, you do your business, you look at the life differently, right? So this is what I'm saying. So you start getting this additional income as a coach. Again, this slide is actually my own experience. I'm sharing with you in the format of the slide. So I started getting my supplementary income while I was working. Now, of course, after a few years, then I left my corporate career and now I am full-time into education and coaching. So we have 3 organizations, which I will brief you in subsequent presentation. Becoming coach is not only about yourself. Becoming coach is also about you contributing to the other people's life. Because after certain age, okay, so when you are age, of course, you are more centered towards your own self. But as you grow in your career, right? So as you become more mature, you want to self-actualize yourself by making some impact on the society, some impact on the people around you, contribute something, create some kind of legacy. That is where coaching helps you. A coach not only gets the recognition and respect, but the coach creates a legacy.